Welcome to the channel. This is Use TickTick to organize your life. So, first, just simply download the TickTick application into your device. It will be available on the Google Play Store. And from here, you just simply tap on skip on the top right corner of the screen. Now, you will have an option to continue with Google or continue with an email. So, I'm going to continue with my Google account. Now, from here, guys, you will have a welcome tab. So it is a very simple application. So the first thing you must understand, and when you select the three lines on the left side, as you can see, you will have here multiple category, personal, work, inbox. So from here, it will be empty ones. And if you want to move it out, as you can see, we could adjust it by holding it out and we could select add at the bottom. So let's say I'm going to go for work and tap on the plus icon, and from here, you can just simply go ahead and provide what would you like to do. I'm gonna go for voiceover, tap on the send, and you can add another one. Let's say I'm gonna go for edit video and tap on send over here. So pretty much it will be a checklist. And when you tap on it, as you can see, tap on the three dots, you will have here multiple options or actions that you can do, and you can delete it as well. And when you check it, as you can see, it will be on the completed tab. So pretty much it is a simple interface. And if you want to do it on a calendar, they will have a calendar over here as well. And when you go for the settings, it will be on the right side. You will have here multiple options, and you can also edit the appearance of the whole application itself. So guys, it is a simple app. There you go. See ya.